Essie happily, and I love sharing my garden experiences with you all. Even if someone tells you, even if someone tells you it's only half off, you never know their heart. They may decide to give you more off at the counter. See you again soon. So, these plants explain how I may feel right now. Sad. Very sad. Look. It looks like there's nothing here. Look at this, you all. It's just sad. But guess what? I'm so silly. I hope everyone's having a great day. These honeysuckles are coming with me. Look at this, you all. See this GoldFlame? Let me tell you, fit $60. Show you all this. Okay. We are going to find out today how much they are willing to sell these for. Just more fountain grass. Let's look over here at the succulents. Half off on this rack. Just half off. The deals this year have not been the best, but half off. Oh, that's a cute little face. It's better than none off. Flower market. Oh, that's cute. All right, we have some empty pots here. That's beautiful. All right. Let's find out how much are these honeysuckles. We have one, and as you all see, we have blooms. Just needs to be cleaned up. This one has a little bit more blooms, but let me show you all the other one. The other one looks really sad. Look at you all. Looks really sad. There's one down at the bottom. Okay, so unfortunately these are half off. You all, I may not be as happy with these. I'm taking a huge risk, but this is my example of Lowe's not having the best deals. Location. Will they be worth it? I need them though. We'll find out. This is the after. After pruning. All of these are hard lambs, and as you see, I did scorch. It's a little blurry. But I scorched the ends. And you can see it's green. Hardwood represents places new growth can begin to sprout. Let me show you all the condition. Up close of this honeysuckle. I just left for those, and you all, I was almost heartbroken because this was $60, and I really needed to grow up my chain link fence in the backyard. But did I want to pay half off when I found out half off for this plant? Honeysuckles are full sun or part shade. They grow really fast, Everybody loves the smell. This don't look like it smells good at this stage. But you all, I just smelled the blooms and the fragrance in the air in my imagination. And I wanted it, but I did not want to pay $30 half off for this plant. So I sat there and I thought about if I should get 2 or not, because my fence is long. I have 2 long sections, about 10 feet across. And this one was leaning. Look at this. It leans. Not even, oops, it's not even standing up. So you all, I had a decision to make, and as you see, I bought them. When I got up to the counter, the lady was like, ring her up for $25. So I got both of these honeysuckles, GoldFlame, for $25 each. So that's $50, and then I think it came out to be $47 with my 5% off. Okay, so that's, let me put this one back over here. How much I paid for that. Now, in my previous plant haul, I did not do an update of how many I bought, but I bought 8 catmints. Here's the catmint. Catmint needs full sun. So I just redid this bed, and I would love to plant them along this side because they get really wide. Let me see. They don't get as tall. 36 inches. That's the space in 3 feet. So 3 feet is approximately up to here in width. So imagine that they get really wide. I'm going to place these in my backyard too. So I have the white theme with the purple now. Have a yellow back there. So that's going to be that bed. And then I'm going to put these golden flames up on the fence. So I am looking forward to my backyard oasis. The front yard is done. I'm out of space. I really have some overcrowding to do today. Besides that, you all, these are dead. So if you can see, I'm going to prune away. When you cut it, there's no green in the inside of this. It's completely dead. And I guess while I clean this up a little bit, tell you all a little bit about what's going on. My backyard, if you watch the video with my family, I had someone start a job and not finish it. And you all, that's true home ownership. You have these goals for your backyards or front yards, and you hire people, and people are going through hard times these days. So my backyard, I'm hoping, you know, to get someone more trustworthy to come finish the job. And I will keep you all updated on the pool. So when I plant these in the ground, I give you all an updated picture. Subscribe. See you all again soon.